Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Secret! Oh, tell me, please. I promise I'll keep it a secret.
Get a kick out of meeting Hud's boy.
Who's Hud? Oh, Doc Hud.
Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
So quick. Do you know where the Silver River is?
The Silver River?
Stop by Luigi's Casa delle Tires, home of the Leaning Tower of Tires.
Hey, retirement? What's going on?
Get scared! Turn right to go left! Turn right to go left! That doesn't make any sense! Turn right to go
Really need is a sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, that's in the...
No, we're fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Jeffrey, are you okay? Say something. That was awesome!
Ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But how did you...
We siphoned your gas while you were passing.
Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man! Now,
Aku akan tidur di bangsal karena tidak pantas bagiku tidur bermandikan
Triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
customers. Customers. Customers, everyone! Customers! Oh.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
You gotta help me! Don't leave me here! I'm in hillbilly hell! My IQ's dropping by the second! I can't believe you're here!
Is that the world's fastest racing machine?
Is that hard?
Well, he's got some serious work ahead of him if he wants to get back in this race.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School.
That was the deal. You are not a nice guy.
Well, seriously, I gotta say, you do make a...
Himself from a gas guzzler into an electric car and has devoted his life to finding a renewable, clean-burning fuel.
Are you all so dense? It's voice activated. Did I forget to mention that it can only be disarmed?
Ooh, Ramon. Mama ain't seen you that low in years. I haven't seen a...
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Sí, es...
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al. Is he? Big Al left like 15 years ago. Then why are you... And my mama is right here. Mama! Don't worry, Mama!